Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. Your pan will look like new. I'll show you a simple and effective method to make your pan shine. Say goodbye to old cleaning methods. Start by sprinkling salt on the pan. It acts as a natural abrasive. Next, pour dish soap over the pan to tackle greasy stains. In the next step, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. These ingredients work wonders on different types of dirt, removing stains and streaks from steel components. Now, place a few paper towels over the pan. The paper will absorb excess grime and grease. Finally, pour vinegar onto the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. The vinegar enhances the effectiveness of the previously used ingredients. After a few minutes, rinse the pan with warm water and dry it. As you can see, all the burnt residue is gone. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. With this method, you no longer have to worry about burn marks. Try it yourself and see how easy it is to clean a burnt pan. Apply this mixture to the burnt pan. You'll be surprised by the results. To prepare this amazing cleaner, you'll need ingredients you likely already have at home. First, take a small bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of coffee to it, preferably ground coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. The fine salt crystals act as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove stubborn stains and burnt spots. After that, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap helps eliminate greasy and tough stains. Mix everything carefully until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface and let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the ingredients will work their magic. Then, scrub the pan with a sponge. The results are almost immediate. Use this trick regularly, and your pans will look as good as new. Enjoy clean pans, and don't forget to share this trick with your friends. Press a potato into salt. This trick is a real lifesaver. Take a regular potato, but make sure it's fairly large. Cut it in half, then dip it in salt. Let it sit for a moment so the salt can bind with the potato. Use this salted potato to scrub your pot. The results are visible almost immediately. Potatoes have cleaning properties mainly due to their starch content, which acts as a natural abrasive and absorbent. Use this trick, and your pots will look brand new. Enjoy your clean pots, and don't forget to share this tip with friends. I put the pan in a plastic bag, and the results are amazing. This trick will make your pan look brand new. It's so effective you'll want to share it with friends and family. You only need 4 ingredients and a plastic bag. Cleaning a burnt pan can be a real hassle, especially when grease and high heat make it hard to scrub kitchenware easily. This method changes everything. Start by pouring a cup of cola into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which is great at removing greasy stains. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap, a tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of dishwasher rinse aid to make the pan shine. Mix it all together. This combination is perfect for removing tough stains and spots on steel surfaces. Now, prepare a bottle for the liquid. Remove the cap, heat it with a lighter, and poke a small hole in it, or use a bottle with a nozzle if you have one. Next, place your dirty pan in a plastic bag and pour the solution over it, ensuring the entire surface is covered. Tie the bag with the pan inside and let it sit for an hour. After an hour, take the pan out, scrub it with a scouring pad, and rinse with water. Your pan will look as good as new. This easy trick keeps all my pans shiny and spotless without harsh chemicals. Here's my method for cleaning a burnt pan. Thanks to it, my pots are clean and shiny. I've tried many methods before, but none worked as well as this one. Prepare a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The next surprising ingredient is toothpaste. Add 1 tablespoon. Then include 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Mix everything together to combine the ingredients. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix thoroughly until you notice foam starting to form. This indicates that the chemical reaction is happening correctly. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface of the pan. Make sure the entire burnt area is covered with foam. Allow the foam to work for a few minutes. Take a dish sponge and start scrubbing the pan. Clean it until you see the burnt residue starting to come off. Once the entire burnt layer has been removed, rinse the pan with warm water. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. Thanks to this method, you don't have to worry about burnt residues anymore. Give it a try and see how easily you can clean a burnt pan. I soak eggshells in vinegar, a secret my grandmother shared with me. You'll never throw away eggshells again once you know this hidden use for them around the house. Start by taking a large bowl and adding eggshells, then pour in about 200 milliliters of vinegar. Eggshells are rich in calcium carbonate, which, when dissolved in vinegar, creates a fine-grained paste. Pour everything into a blender and blend until smooth. Transfer the blended mixture to a large bowl and add a small amount of water, followed by about 250 milliliters of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly to combine the ingredients, then pour the mixture into an empty bottle using a funnel. Secure the lid and shake well. This is my method for a natural pot cleaner. The eggshells act as an effective abrasive. It's great for burnt-on stains and greasy residues, plus it's eco-friendly and safe. My pots look like new. Squeeze lime juice onto charcoal. Start by taking a piece of charcoal and placing it in a plastic bag. Then take a wooden spoon and crush the charcoal into small pieces. Continue doing this until it's finely ground. Transfer the crushed charcoal onto a sieve. This is an important step to remove any larger pieces. Next, take a lime and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice into a bowl with the crushed charcoal. Mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly until a paste forms. Now, take a burnt pot and apply the paste. Spread the mixture over the damaged area and gently scrub it. This paste is perfect for removing stubborn burn marks from the pot. The abrasive properties of charcoal combined with the acidity of lime juice effectively remove burnt residues. Your pot will be clean and ready for use again. This paste works well on other burnt kitchen appliances too.